Hello! I'll show you how to unlock forgotten luggage suitcases combination locks password because I had a little oopsie and forgot my code some time ago. Before unlocking or repairing, first off you must know how does the thing you want to repair work. This ideology is in many areas, whether it is a car, electronics or suitcase combination locks. If you know how it works, you can also repair it or in this case unlock it. To open the lock, you must spin the empty spaces of the circles all in one line. Then because nothing is stopping it, you can easily open it by pulling the button. Best of all, these empty spaces can be seen from the outside, which means we can lock these type of suitcases without knowing the code. Okay, let's do some hacking. First thing, put all circle empty spaces in one position. When all empty spaces are in one position, we can start phase 2. The lock cannot be unlocked at this time because circular spaces must be in a straight line, just like the arrows on the button. The holes should be in the same position as the red color lines in the picture. Currently, the holes are in the green color position. To get all spaces in a straight line, each code circle must be rotated 2 positions clockwise, in my case. In another case, it could be more or less, but you still have to spin all 3 circles the same number of times. Well, let's crack it open. Done! We have unlocked our suitcase and learned the code. Now you can set the code that is easier to remember to avoid hacking in the future. I hope this video was helpful and will save someone from buying a new luggage suitcase. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my suitcase coding abilities. Ciao and safe travels!